Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be attempting to make homemade cookies, but there's a twist. I didn't just find this recipe on Pinterest like I normally would. I was just minding my own business, scrolling down my Twitter feed, and here, look at what popped up on my newsfeed. I had to. The only thing that makes me nervous about this recipe is all it has is the ingredients. There's no instructions. There's no mix it in this order. There's no preheat the oven to this amount, like to this temperature. There's no bake them for this time. So we'll see how this goes. Stay tuned. So I have this. This is what my dad got me for Christmas. I don't cook, but like, we'll go with it. I'm also really nervous about this recipe because it doesn't show the order to mix things in. But I think that we should start with all of the powders. What do y'all think? Leave a comment below if I'm about to ruin all of these cookies. So we need 1 cup of butter, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 egg, 2 1/4 cup of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. 2 1/4 cups of flour. Well, we're gonna wing it a little because I don't feel like measuring out 1/4 of a cup. So we're gonna do 2 cups and then just like hope for the best, you know? 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/4 a teaspoon. So 2 of these would be 1/2 teaspoon. Yeah. Whoa, whoops. Why the fuck are they such like weird increments? Are you fucking, oh boy. I think I just broke. 3/4 a cup of sugar. Close enough. The egg, the vanilla, and the butter, which are all liquids. Well, let's go ahead and do the vanilla and the egg. So 4 of these is 1 teaspoon. Ow, ow, ow. You know what, like I think I put way too much of everything, so maybe it'll even out, you know? I am a dumb bitch. Can't forget the egg. It's cheating if I Google it. So we're just gonna heat it for 400 and I'll just check on it every now and then and hope for the best. The moment of truth. It's like if the batter's good, that means that it's probably gonna be good, right? Cook them and hope they're better. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is going like a 2. This shit is disgusting. We're gonna cook these for maybe 45 minutes. I don't know. That's too much. I probably shouldn't leave my house while stuff is in the oven, right? Anyway, I'll be back whenever they're done. It doesn't smell good. It doesn't really look like it's going great. This is bad. Really fucking bad. Why do they look like biscuits? Okay, so kind of hot, but like I'm gonna try it because I really just want to be done with this.
What's your rating? It broke my scale. She broke my scale. She's beautiful.
This is so bad. Doesn't get better. That was awful. Well, I guess that's about it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching if you made it all the way through. Go ahead and click the like and subscribe button down below. Bye!